Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team, here to show you how to manage changes to your data center using NetZoom's quick change mode and staging areas. Most tasks in a data center are related to adding, moving, and removing equipment. In NetZoom, these actions are collectively known as change management. NetZoom includes powerful change management tools such as Plan Mode to rigorously document changes to your data center. But what if you need to make small changes to your data center quickly and easily without going through the more complex process of Plan Mode? For quick changes to your data center, NetZoom implements a quick change mode and staging area so that you can manage changes in your DCIM the way that works for your enterprise. Quick change mode is session-based and allows you to make small, quick changes that are made immediately without requiring any approval. This method is for users that are authorized to approve their own changes. Staging mode is similar to quick change, except that it is not session-based and can be used collaboratively for initial implementation or for making a large number of changes that do not require approval. This method is for users that are authorized to approve their own changes. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Let's navigate to the Data Center feature under the Change Management tab. This feature will allow us to utilize staging mode and quick change mode to make changes to our data center. Now let's use quick change to check out a node. Quick change mode, also known as checkout, is a session-based mode that allows small changes within a single login session. This method is for users that are pre-authorized to make changes and is generally used for quickly disposing of a device or adding a replacement device after disposing of a device. The following rules apply when using NetZoom's quick change mode for change management. Only the user that checked out the node will have access to it until it is checked in. All nodes you have checked out will automatically check in when your session expires, and you may manually check in a node at any time. For this exercise, we will check out a single rack. Right-click on the node you want to check out and click Check Out. As you can see, the quick change form appears. Enter a name and description for the quick change and click the Continue button when finished. The node will be checked out and locked for changes for anyone but the logged in user. We're just checking out a rack, but you can use quick change mode on any node, from individual devices to the entire data center. Now that we've checked out our rack, we can make changes to it. To show off quick change mode, we're going to delete a device from this rack. Right-click on the device and click the Delete button to delete it. Click Yes to continue, and the device will be removed from your data center and placed into old devices, which can be found in the inventory menu. Now that we've deleted our device and made the change, let's check back in this rack's node by right-clicking on it and clicking Check In. The node will be checked back in and made available for other users to change. Remember that quick change mode is for single session changes, and the node will also automatically check in if we were to log out of NetZoom. Now that we've seen quick change mode, let's talk about staging areas. Staging mode is a mode that allows you to designate a node as a staging area where changes can be made over a period of time. This is similar to quick change mode, however, it is not restricted to a single login session and can be used collaboratively to perform a large number of changes. This method is for users that are pre-authorized to make changes and is generally used when building on a new site, reorganizing a location, conducting a tech refresh, or expanding a data center's capacity. A user group must be selected when creating a staging area. Users in that group will have access to the staging area until the staging node is exited. The following rules apply when using NetZoom's staging mode for change management. The node will remain designated a staging area until staging mode is exited. A user group must be selected when entering staging mode. All users in the selected user group will be able to collaborate on the changes for that node and its children nodes, and a node that is designated a staging area will not be visible in Plan Mode. Right-click on the node you want to enter staging and select Enter Staging. The staging form will pop up. Enter a name and any remarks for your staging area. Then select the start and end date and time for your staging area. The node will automatically enter the staging area at the start time and exit staging at the end time. Then, using the user group drop-down list, select the user group that will be able to make changes to the staging area. Any users in that group will be able to make changes. Click the Continue button when finished. Now that our node is in staging, we can make changes just like we would in Quick Change or Plan mode. We'll reopen the same rack as before, and we'll move a device to a new RU position. For example, we could move this one up 3 RUs. We'll also dig into our inventory and find a replacement for that server we deleted. This one looks good, so we'll drag it and place it into RU16. When you are finished making changes in your staging area, you can manually exit staging by right-clicking on the staging node and select Exit Staging. The node will be checked back in and made live for other users to make changes. But remember, the staging area will automatically be made live once it reaches its end date. That covers the basics of using Quick Change mode and Staging mode to make changes in NetZoom. But remember, change management is a complex topic, and we've only scratched the surface of what NetZoom can do. Please check out our other videos for more information on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you want to use NetZoom in your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.